Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's time for another Plan with Vivi. This video we are going to be planning the month of February, and first off here is my February cover for this year. I bought it last year during a BOGO at Erin Condren and I saved it because I just thought this is so pretty and I love it. Like, I just can't, like, it is so pretty. Like the black little edges here just go so well with the black foil. I love it. So like I said, we are going to be planning out the month of February, and the kit that I decided to be using is going to be another kit by Print Petticoat Bandit. And I think what I'm going to do is, last year I did all my monthly spreads using kits from Planning Choco, I believe, and so I think this year I'm going to go ahead and do all my monthly spreads by Print Petticoat Bandit because I am like in love with I'm in love with her monthly kits. The January one just came out so pretty, and I'm ready to do February, and I think she's already released the one for March and it is gorgeous. Like, I can't wait to get that one. But let me show you the kit. This is the Love is All Around kit. She does put out usually 1 or 2 monthly kits, just so in case you have like a different styles of planning, you have a couple of options. And I did already print this kit out, cut it, and I already took to it my my Jelly Roll Stardust pen in clear because, you know, you gotta make it glitter and sparkle, right? So let me show you the first page of that kit. You've got this really cute, it looks like peonies, but I love peonies and I love the color. It's just perfect for February. So this is page 1A, page 1B. So it is so cute. So you've got the headers for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You have Valentine's Day, Chinese New Year, Ash Wednesday, President's Day, Groundhog Day, which is really cute that she has Ash Wednesday on here because Ash Wednesday is not in February, it's actually March 6th. So I know because, you know, I'm Catholic and I am a practicing Catholic, so but yeah, Ash Wednesday is on March 6th, not in February. Usually it is, but it's not this year. So then we have all of these little icons right here that are meant to fit over onto the second page, which I'll show you real quick. And of course you have your day covers on here as well. So moving on to page 2, here is page 2A, and so here you have your little appointment thing boxes here, and then these little guys just fit right over that little square perfectly. So that is another cool thing about her kit. And then of course you have your goals, events, Instagram, all that kind of stuff, headers here to go on this sidebar portion right here. I don't really use this one. I opt to have the deco sidebar that's here. Then you have these long strips of washi right here, of glitter-like washi. And then here you go for page 2B. You've got the covers that cover up the portions here that aren't part of the month. And then you've got some fancy banners here, some page flags, some build-dos. Then you've got beauty appointments, popcorn, shoes for exercising, cleaning, packages or gifts. And then we've got Happy Meal, nail polishes, some more exercise. We've got night out, and then we have big plans, and then we have the glam up little stickers here, and of course you've got some deco going on right around here. And then of course page 3 is your nice fancy sidebar. So if you wanted to do like the peonies here, or if you wanted to do the girls here, as you can see from the one that is glittering, I went with this one right here. So that is this, the Love is All Around kit. I also went ahead and purchased from Beautiful Planning the February holiday sticker sheet right here. It comes with 2 stickers, or 2 little half sheets, and you can do the one that's in color, or you can do the one like this one's, if I had a laser printer I could then foil this afterwards, but I didn't, and I didn't want to waste my coloring because all I really wanted was this, and no matter which page you printed it was going to be in black and white. So that's why I went ahead and I did this one. And so you've got your little February holiday stickers here, and then I will go put those in on the days of the month that that are pretty much kind of like empty. So this right here, you've got your Valentine's and how other little smaller things right here, and I think I'm going to save this sheet to put it into when I start planning in the weeks. So that is that. We'll put that sheet to the side because we're not going to be using it this time. So that is the kit. So let's get started, right?